Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these earrings using some of the beads from the bargain bead box, along with my rhinestone spacers and a few of my little black 11-0 check glass seed beads. So if you are interested in this, stay tuned. Okay, so to get started, I'm using 4 of these beads right here. But they're gonna roll off. I have my other bead matter here. 2 of the matte beads. And then of course I'm using some of my own. I've got these black rhinestone spacers. And I think with the black speckles in there, I think it will really look really cool and stand out. So got that. And then I've got these 4 right here. And my little 11-0 check seed beads. So I'm using this wire from Bead, and then I'm gonna measure out. Let me see here. I left my ruler in the other room, so I'm measuring out 12 inches just so I have enough. I have that. Let me put this back on. So I have 12, and now I'm going to turn it into 6. So, oh, and I also have these crimper beads. Forgot to show you those. And I also have my crimping pliers. I'll show you how I use those afterwards. Okay, so I have 2 6-inch pieces. I'm gonna start out, I think for the bottom one, I'm gonna have this. You know, I was thinking, let me see how this looks first. I don't know if I'm gonna like this or not. It might show through, it might not. No, I don't like that. Okay, so we're gonna do this. So this will be the bottom of the earring. So this will be the bottom of it. Okay, so now, this is usually how I work. So I take those and I'll do like 2, and I just switch over. I'm not ambidextrous. Oh, and also these, I'm sorry. But as you know, I start with some beads, then I start adding on. So then I'm gonna do one of these rhinestone spacers. And then I'm gonna do that. And another rhinestone spacer. I'm not sure, wait, hold on. Hold on 1 second, I don't think I'm gonna have this much room between them. I'm gonna undo those again. Okay, I'm just gonna do, let me try just 1 each. Let me see how this lays, if this lays better. Yeah, okay. Okay, so we do this. And then we're gonna do this, and this. And sometimes, you know, I get my stuff out and it takes me a couple tries. Yeah, I think those are cute. Okay. And then I'm going to do another black bead. I'm going to do black, black, and then I'm going to do pink, and then black, and then black. Go by that. Black, black, pink, black, black. Start kind of, you can see how they look. I think the black looks really cool with those. So then I do another pink, and black, black, and then pink, black, black. Okay, then we're going to switch over sides. Pink, and then black, black, pink, black, black. Let's see. I don't want this to come out. Yeah, I think that looks kind of cool. Then, so I've got that. Then what I do is I'm doing, let me see, I've got to have both of them the same exact length and everything. Then I do them, do them both through the pink. Come on. Okay. Where's my little, here they are. And I have, I got that. Then, let me see if I can pick up two of these at once. Yep, two, two. One, okay. So let me see, I pushed that all the way down. Okay, so those are kind of cool looking. Okay, then I want to end with, I was kind of thinking a bell, but I don't know, that might be too much. And I'm gonna put this through. I like the bead at the top to be a little, maybe I'll do this. I need to have it a teeny bit wider because he needs to go, yeah, that's cool. Okay, so I have those. Forgot to get my crimp beads out. Okay. So I have this all set up the way it should be. Then, let me just grab one of these and make sure that this goes through both. Okay. So now I take this, you see the way I have this? I take it kind of a little up towards the top and I go and I try and put it back down into the crimp bead. Now watch, I can usually do this pretty fast. Now watch me not do it because I'm on camera. Let me see. So I go down. Okay, come on guys. I think they're in there. Okay. And then I put my nail on it as I keep just working it down into it. Then I put my nail on it and I turn this and I keep going down. until you must make like a hoop with it. Now you make sure that you have enough space you can put so see how that is? Like that. Then I take these and I go down to the biggest hole first. I smash that closed. And I turn it. And I smash it again. And then of course I pull on it to make sure that it's tight. And then I go, I put it through there. Here you have a pair of earrings. And they're not heavy. You know, I always make sure that they're not heavy. So what'd you think of it? I think they look cute. So here's the other pair of earrings I just made. So now we have two of them. I think they're really cute, and I love the black spacers, rhinestone spacers. They kind of bring out that pop in the black on the pink beads, and then the little 11-0 black check glass seed beads as well. So I think these turned out really cute. Let me know down in the comments what you think, and let me know if you end up making any of them like this. So thanks for watching my channel, and I hope you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And my links to Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and my Etsy store are all below, along with the link to Bargain Bead Box if you're interested in this month's box. I don't have any affiliation with them. I just like their beads, and I know a lot of my followers get that monthly bead box, so that's why I do this. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on my next one. Have a great day.